Sanvalia Se Temple of the Dark Krishna is situated on the Chittorgarh Udaipur highway at the town of Bhadosra or Bhadosar, about 40 kilometers from Chittorgarh. The deity, also known as Sri Sanvalia Seth. The legends has it that in the year 1840, a milkman named Bholaram Gurjar dreamt of three divine statues buried under the ground in Chhapar village of Bhadosra Bagund. When the villagers started digging the place, they found the three statues exactly as Bholaram saw in his dream. They were the statues of Lord Krishna, all of them beautiful and mesmerizing. One of the statues was taken to Mandafia, one to Bhadosada, and the third remained at the very place where it was found. All three locations became temples when it was brought to Mandafia. At that time, Sri Radhulalji Jain, village head of Mandafia, with the help of villagers, built a small temple consisting of 4 walls and shade and placed the statues by performing all the necessary rituals. Later on, the 3 temples of Sanvalia Ji became renowned and devotees visit them in large numbers every day. Located just 40 kilometers from Chittorgarh, the historic city of valor and devotion, Mandafia is now known as Sri Sanvalia Dham, the residence of Lord Krishna, and is second to Sri Nathdwara to the followers of Vaishnav sect. People believe that all their desires are fulfilled when they visit Sri Sanvalia Seth's Darbar, court of Sri Sanvalia Ji. Sanvalia Seth temple history and story runs like this. Legend suggests that in 1840 a milkman named as Bholaram Gurjar was directed about were beings of deities by Lord Krishna in a dream. On digging out the site as directed in dream, 3 idols of Lord Krishna was discovered. All these 3 idols were taken out and 3 respectively at Mandafia, Bhadosa and Chhapar, the place where idols were only dug out. Among 3 temples, Mandafia temple is recognized as the Sanvalia Ji Dham. Thousands of devotees land in Sanvalia Seth temple every day. This number increases many folds during the festivals like Holi, Krishna Janmashtami, etc. Sanvalia Seth literally means dark, complex, rich. Lord Krishna is worshipped as the rich. In Sanvalia Seth temple, it is believed that devotees who visit Sanvalia Seth temple do not face financial hardships in life. A large amount of donation is received in Sanvalia Seth temple because it is common trait in the region to consider Sanvalia Seth Ji as their partner in income. Hence, in order to present Seth Ji's share, people donate generously. If you want to visit Sanvalia Seth temple, now I am suggesting you as to how you can reach Sanvalia Dham. Sanvalia Seth temple is 80 kilometers from Udaipur on National Highway number 27. One can easily reach temple from the city by taking regular buses or by hiring taxis. The distance between Chittorgarh to Sanvalia Seth temple is 35 kilometers only. One can easily reach temple from the city by taking regular buses or by hiring taxis. The nearest railway station to Sanvalia Seth temple is Chittorgarh. The Chittorgarh railway station code is COR. The distance between Chittorgarh railway station to Sanvalia Seth temple is 33 kilometers. There are daily express superfast trains from Jaipur and New Delhi, Ratlam, Indore, Bhopal Mumbai, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Agra and Kota. The nearest airport to Samaria Seth Temple is Maharana Pratap Airport, Udaipur Airport. There are daily flights from all important cities in India like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Bhopal, Raipur, Goa and Indore. This is all about Samaria Seth.